Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ace English Daily, the channel where you ace your fluency every single day. Today, we have a very special story for you. You will follow two friends, Mina and Ken, as they spend a fun afternoon together. The English in this story is slow and clear. Every sentence is simple. You do not need to worry. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. Before we start, I have a very important question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. It will help you understand the story much better. Question 1. What does Ken want to drink at the first convenience store? Write your answer in the comments below. Use English. It helps you practice. Are you ready? Let's begin.
That class was really long today.
Yes, it was. I'm so happy it's finished now.
Me too. I'm really tired.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, but I'm a little hungry now.
Really? Did you eat lunch today?
Yes, I did, but that was a long time ago. I'm hungry again.
I see. I'm a little hungry too, actually. I didn't eat very much for lunch.
That's too bad. And I really want something to drink. I'm so thirsty.
What do you want to drink?
Maybe green tea or water. Something cold.
That sounds nice. I want a cold drink too. Is there a store near here?
Yes. Do you want to go to a convenience store?
A convenience store? That's a great idea.
There is one very close. We can walk there. It's right over there. Can you see it?
Oh yes, I can see it now. Let's go.
We can get something to eat and something to drink there.
Perfect. I want a drink and maybe a small snack too.
Me too. I want to get a rice ball or a sandwich.
That sounds nice. I really like rice balls.
Same here. They are easy to eat and so good.
Yes, and they're not too expensive.
That's right. Convenience stores have a lot of cheap and good food. Let's go. What food does Mina want to get at the convenience store? Leave your answer in the comments. Can you write a full sentence? Okay, here we are. Let's go inside.
Wow, there are so many things here.
Yes, this store has a lot. What do you want to look at first?
Let's look at the drinks first. Where are they?
The drinks are over there in the back of the store.
Oh, I see them. There are so many kinds of drinks. What do you want?
I want something cold. How about water or juice?
I think I want green tea. I really like green tea.
Green tea is a good choice. I like green tea too. What are you going to get?
I think I'll get orange juice today. Orange juice sounds good. It's sweet and cold.
Yes, it's perfect for today. Okay, let's go look at the food now.
Sure. Oh, look, there are rice balls here.
Yes, there are many kinds. This one looks good. What's inside this one?
That one has salmon inside. Salmon is very popular.
Oh, I love salmon. This looks really delicious.
It is. I get that one a lot. Okay, I'll get this salmon rice ball. Which one do you want, Ken?
I can't decide. There are too many choices.
How about this one? It has tuna inside.
Oh, that looks good. I like tuna. Okay, I'll get that one.
Great. Do you want anything else?
Let me look at the sandwiches. Oh, look at this egg sandwich. It looks so soft and good.
It does look good. Do you want to get it?
I already have a rice ball. I think that's enough for now.
Okay, that's a good idea. What about those potato chips over there?
They look good, but I'll wait. Maybe next time.
Okay, I think I'm ready. I have my rice ball and orange juice. Let's go pay.
They walked to the cashier together. Hello, welcome. Hi, I'd like these, please. Sure. 1 salmon rice ball and 1 green tea. Is that everything? Actually, can I add one more thing? I want this rice ball too, please. Of course. So that's 2 rice balls and 1 green tea. Is that all? Yes, that's everything. Thank you. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. I'd like a bag. And would you like me to heat up the rice balls for you? Oh, yes, please. Can you heat them up? Of course. Just a moment. It will be about 30 seconds. Okay, thank you. Here you go. They're warm now. Would you like chopsticks? No, thank you. I'm fine without chopsticks. How would you like to pay? Cash or card? Cash, please. How much is everything? That will be 650 yen, please. Okay, here you go. 1,000 yen. Thank you very much. And here is your change, 350 yen. Thank you. Would you like the receipt? Yes, please. Here you go. Have a nice day. You too. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, I got everything. The rice balls are nice and warm.
That's great. How many rice balls did you get?
I got 2. I added one more at the last moment.
Nice. 2 rice balls is a lot.
I know, but I was really hungry. How is your orange juice?
It's really good, and the tuna rice ball is perfect for today.
I'm glad. And my green tea is so cold and refreshing. She paid 1,000 yen and she got 400 yen back. I think Mina got 2 rice balls because she was very hungry. A sweet idea. You know what? I also want something sweet now.
Something sweet? Like what?
Like ice cream or maybe cake or pudding, something like that.
That does sound nice.
Do you want to go to one more convenience store?
Another one? We just went to one.
I know, but look, there's another convenience store over there. Can you see it?
Oh, yes, I can see it. It's not too far.
Right, it's just a short walk. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. I want to see what they have there.
Maybe they have some nice desserts.
I hope so. What kind of dessert do you want the most?
I think I want ice cream the most. What about you?
I'm not sure yet. I want to see what they have first.
That's a good idea. Let's walk. It's a nice day anyway.
Yes, the weather is really nice today. Not too hot, not too cold.
It really is. It feels so nice outside. Oh, look, we're almost there already.
That was fast. Let's go inside.
Why does Ken want to go to a second convenience store? Write your answer in the comments. Try to use full sentences. Second convenience store. This store looks a little different from the first one.
Yes, it does. Oh, look at the desserts over there. They have so many.
Wow, they really do have a lot of desserts here.
What is this one? I've never seen this before.
That's a pudding. It's a very popular dessert here.
Really? It looks so delicious. I want to try it. Have you tried this one before?
Yes, I have. You should get it. It's really, really good.
Okay, I'll get it then. What about you? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for ice cream. Do you know where it is?
I think the ice cream is over here. Come and look.
Oh, great. There are a lot of flavors here. What flavor do you like?
I usually like chocolate, but vanilla is also really good.
How about this one? Look, it has both chocolate and vanilla together.
Oh, that's perfect. I want that one. Good choice.
Oh, look over there. They have hot snacks too. What kind do they have?
Let me see. They have fried chicken and meat buns.
Oh, meat buns. I've never tried the meat buns from this store before.
They're very good. I eat them a lot, especially in winter.
They look so good. I really want to try one.
You should get one. I think I have too much food already.
That's okay. I'll get a meat bun for myself. Oh, they have coffee here too. Did you see?
Oh, yes. I love the coffee here. Do you want one?
Yes, I think I'll get a hot coffee. Coffee and a meat bun go well together.
Yes, that's a great combination. Oh, and let me pay for your pudding, too.
Really? Are you sure? Thank you so much.
Of course, no problem. Let's go pay now.
Mina went to the cashier with all their items. Hello, welcome.
Hi, I'd like these, please.
Sure, 1 ice cream, 1 pudding, and 1 coffee. Is that all?
Oh no, I also want a meat bun, please. And the pudding is for my friend. I'm paying for it.
Of course. Which meat bun would you like? We have pork and chicken.
The pork one, please.
Sure. And for your coffee, hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size, small or large?
Small, please.
Would you like sugar and milk with your coffee?
Just milk, please. No sugar.
Is there anything else?
Nope, that's everything. Thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be 1,100 yen, please.
Here you go. 1,500 yen.
Thank you very much. Here's your change, 400 yen.
Thank you. Here is your meat bun, Ken. Your coffee is ready at the machine over there.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
Please be careful with the coffee. It's very hot.
I will. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Please come again. What did Ken order at the second store? Can you remember all 4 items? List all the items in English. Use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got everything. Here, Mina, this is your pudding.
Oh, Thank you, Ken. I'm so happy. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will. Today was really fun, wasn't it?
Yes, it really was. We bought a lot of things today.
We really did. Let me think. At the first store, I got 2 rice balls and a green tea.
And I got a tuna rice ball and an orange juice at the first store.
Right. And then at the second store, you got ice cream, a meat bun, and a coffee.
Yes, I got a lot of things. Maybe too many things.
Maybe, but everything looks so good. And you got this pudding for me. Thank you again.
Of course, that's what good friends do.
You know, convenience stores are really convenient, aren't they?
That's so true. They have everything you need. Food, drinks, snacks, desserts, and so much more.
And they are open every day, all the time. That's really nice.
Yes, I go to convenience stores almost every day.
Really? Almost every day?
Yes, about 5 or 6 times a week.
That is a lot, but I understand. They are so useful and so easy to use.
Exactly. You can always find what you need there.
I really had a wonderful time today.
Me too. Do you want to do this again sometime?
Yes, definitely. Let's go to a convenience store again next week.
That sounds great. Next time, I want to try some different things. Maybe some new snacks.
Me too. I want to try the fried chicken next time. You said it was good, right?
Yes, it's really good. You will love it, I'm sure.
I can't wait. I'm already excited about it.
Me too. Okay, we should go home now. It's getting a little late.
You're right. Let's go home. Thank you for today, Ken. It was a really fun day.
Thank you too, Mina. I had a great time with you. See you at school tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What does Mina want to try next time at the convenience store? Write your answer below. What would you want to try next time? How was it? I hope this story helped you improve your English today. Let's review the question from the beginning one more time. What does Ken want to drink at the first convenience store? Did you find the answer? Write your answer in the comments below. The answer is in the story. If you found the answer, please write it in the comments. By practicing English output like this, you improve your English skills much faster. On this channel, Ace English Daily, I share stories in slow and easy English. Every video has real-life conversations to help you speak English naturally and confidently. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Ace English Daily. Please like this video. Please leave a comment. Even one word is great. Turn on the bell notification so you never miss a new video. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoy my content, please consider joining as a member. Your support helps me continue creating new English learning videos every day. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.